Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block emails on Xfinity. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So one thing you can do is when you want to reject an email, you can choose a reason to do so. But the next thing, which is a good solution, would be mark emails as spam. And fortunately, Xfinity itself gives you a direction on how to do it. So let me just show you thoroughly. So as you can see over here, you will have this information. So from Xfinity email box, you need to check the box next to the message you want to report as a spam. It will be this icon. Once you click on the mark as a spam icon, the email will be removed to spam folders. Now what you're going to do is undo a message mark. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, email client users, and you can select the message you wish to report as a spam, and you can forward it to this section. And once you have done that, you will not get emails from that email ID or anything. The email will automatically simply go ahead and vanish. You can see after 7 days, email in the spam folder will be deleted automatically. Multiple emails can be selected and marked as spam, so you can do that to multiple emails. That is one of the options. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and set up a spam filters and blocking email section. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Xfinity email, and then you're going to tap on your settings icon. It will look like this. Once you have done that, you're going to go to the advanced settings. Once you're in the advanced setting, you're going to go to automatically move spam and potentially harmful message to the spam folder. So whenever you get email that you have already marked as a spam, it will automatically go to spam and it will not exist in your inbox itself. And you need to tap on enable spam filtering. So when you do that, it will automatically get done and you don't need to be worried about it. So that's all you need to do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.